For those of you who don't know or simply don't care, I run a very small Instagram account for my beer drinking adventures. I like to drink beer. And I use AI when I post on this account. No, I don't use AI to create content. There are a lot of AI slop out there, and especially on Instagram. And I, well, among many others, I think, find this AI slop pretty boring. But what do I use when it comes to AI and Instagram? Well, let me explain. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mattias. I'm from Sweden, home of Fika. I post videos about being productive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. Perhaps you heard about Samsung AI Select, a smart tool that you can find on your Samsung devices like your phone, tablet and PC. And AI Select lets you, for instance, copy text from an app. In my case, the app Untapped. Untapped is where I rate my beers that I've been drinking. So what I do when I post to Instagram is to use AI Select to copy the information about the beer in Untapped. In this case, a Berliner Weiss. And I paste this text into the post on Instagram. For me, this is pretty amazing because I'm too lazy to write down all the information about the beer. And I like to have this information on the post on Instagram. I'm a beer nerd. And I do use the S Pen to copy the text. That's really why I use my tablet to post to Instagram, because it's so much easier to use the S Pen when you use AI Select to mark up stuff. So I share the picture from Samsung Gallery over to Instagram, to the feed. I add the text and I edit this text. And I add some tags as well. And where I am, nothing special, but, well, it's AI and tablet and a S Pen. So I'm pretty happy. I like this workflow. And there it is. So that's how I use AI to post on Instagram on my tablet. By the way, if you're still watching, please comment with which country you're coming from. It's always fun to see where the viewers are from. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely day. Bye!